khona phumelela ngaphalele bodleleni yakhona kwenza lelo ngesinto lesibili bulelele sathu yafuna nyakuthetha lo muntu umengo futhi akekho lolotshona nje ngingabona mhlanga umthimba wemzala ubhengu Ezinjengelezi kumane sababu masalempili Inkosini mande kuthawa lempili nandani Ithemba khawa lempili Ngoba lenkhawa kupili Umadela kumba yoseba pili Umabathaka zimbala kethile neskena nesho Ngingaba neshwele ebonyamanzi Ophula ngabili Nangamathatha namile mnyango Eleke khula masa Skene ngaphakathi silaphule sale Lesibukane Ngifuna ngekhaya sihamba ngesihluwa Athi ngithaka zindlela Athi ngighosti lapho ngihamba khona bonakali Uma bengifuna ngangitholakali Malula njengemali Uma bengibudeke ngizini nami ngifuna le mali mina Nginembile ngani yangibika ninakekela ngivula iminyaka Nginembile ngani yangibika bo Fula niminyamo singene Phumelele yangibika Phumelele makhosini Fula niminyamo singene Phumelele yangibika bo.
That was Makaku giving us a beautiful traditional rendition titled Umthimba Wemzala. Njengoba nathi ke kwangena bona bo July nabo June lapha eSwatini kuyabanza phela iwinter season vele kuyatekwa. Uyathatha nje ubhayitele ngaso Swati lokulisiko lethu lesicenya ngalo uyobeka umfati ekhaya. Kepha ke namhla we are riding on a different lane. Mphethe wona ma MTN Bushfire Firefly top 3 winners. I've got JD in the building, Mr Championship. Mphethe Makaku banikati bemculo lomnanzi eSwatini. This is our local Black Diamond, I can say, and today we are about to give you what can you expect in the upcoming 19th edition of the MTN Bushfire Firefly. Letabe yendeka khona phela eMalkens khona emalandelas. Guys, how are you doing today?
You know, siyaphila mina kethu unjani wena?
It's khona.
We're doing great.
Yeah, we're doing great, JD. But siyaphila. Uyabona ke namuhla siphethe into lehlukile ngikuphathele Siswati ngiyakunika nesilumbi konke kukhona lana and I promise you ukuthi usatobona more performances. Ivideo yeqala yethu ngishito ukuthi ngiyomagagu umthimba wemzala siyaphila ke eSwatini National Council of Arts and Culture ukuthi phela asupporteni kwethu asiba support siulalele nje lo music lona ngaya na ka YouTube search emagagu I believe uye na ka YouTube search the real JD utawuthola music wakhe wonke. Moving on with the show, let's get to know, ladies and gentlemen, who bobani vele laba lebahleli eceleni kwami. Eceleni kwami ke nginaye umfuya ngabi. How's it my brother?
Siyaphila mina tuhamba njani ngoba?
Siyaphila. Bofuya tingabi neligama laqhamuka kanjani?
Shothi ligama lengaqamba lona leli ngidawuthi nje lisukela esinanatelweni sakithi sakathwala so sihamba sithi emafuya ngabi. So ngathi nangibuka ngathi emafuya ngabi but ezi mina ngingedvana angiligucule ligama ngithi mfuya ngabi. So kulesinato nje abathi ngilona ligama elingangifanele nesisindo.
Okay.
Yeah.
And JD mina mangikhula kube ngathi ukuthi the initials JD amele ukuthi jealous down. Am I right?
No, you're wrong.
I'm wrong. Who's JD?
JD just comes from my name. My first name starts with a J, and then my surname has a D in it, so then I put it together. So it's JD.
Okay. Yabona celeni kwakho siphethe chili pie tobantwana chili boy. How's it my brother?
Hayi siphile kakhulu.
Siphile kakhulu. Lakho ke liqhamuka kanjani labo chili uyafaka phela udlali.
Ya ngathi nangicala umculo lo kwa bengithanda kurapha kakhulu. So ngathi mangindabo freestyle abathi uyababa yabo ngathi sengiba ngichili boy.
Ayo wase man chili ungababeli phela nalabantwana babele kakhulu lo mculo. Egcineni lapha ngiphethe Percy P. How's it Percy?
I know I'm nice man, how are you?
I'm good Percy.
Proper. Yeah, Percy is my real name and then I decided to add the P because like I'm always positive.
Oh, okay. So in a nutshell, how did you meet as Makaku?
Oh, kusho ukuthi nje like I was doing my thing solo and then Mfuya Ngabi is my little brother. And then it happened ukuthi Chili abe ngumngane wakhe and then they were working together I think back in 2023 yes. So then benda nje ingoma boy 2 bebaqala kana lokuhlaba lokho nethu baqala kuhlabela benda ingoma bong 2 bangivisa and then sasebenda nangiqetha kubeva ngathi decide ukuthi like no asesi-rekhode because mina bese nginayo le experience asesihambe siye studio nje sirekhode a couple of singles and then sathi nasikhathi sakurekhoda nasiperforma bantu beva ngazuthi like sinaleyo uyabona nasinta kanye kanye tingoma nawo man khona into lesiyipheka and then like no 2024 sathi ukuthi like no asibe group.
Oh, okay.
Kwaba lo kanjalo nje because kwaba ngile abantu nasikhipha la masingers ukuthi ba reacta kanjani and then sakhanza kuza no bayajabula kakhulu beva ngazuthi sinayo le
Yeah.
le bond
So umfuya ngabe uyakahlala naye ekhaya. Shothi umfuya ngabe bekabhala lekhaya ngakutshela ukuthi
yeah
uyabhala.
bekakopa mina ke
Nahlangana la stage.
yeah bekakopa
Hayi umfuya ngabe bekafuye pets iphile emzini. JD coming to this music scene, how did it came about? When did you realize that no man, I need to step up and be about this thing?
For me, it started when I was in high school.
Okay.
But my love for rap music came when I was in primary school. So when I was in high school, me and my friends used to get together and rap sometimes. And then at some point, I was once challenged. I think it's online. You can find it online.
Okay.
I was challenged to a rap battle. Yeah,
Or
it's
something
currently online.
something like 8 Mile.
Something like 8 Mile. It was really fun. So ever since then, I just knew that this is the path for me, and this is what I want to do
Oh, okay.
for the rest of my life. Yeah.
Okay, we're still on Eswatini as voices. Namhla ke njengoba senathi ukuthi phela kusasa seyi Friday, seyaqala iBushfire and you guys will be performing on Saturday. I like to believe maybe nje ungivise lo shuni nyana ngicale ngale kuphesi P. Kuthi angabe mabhazi sa ready nje kupolishiwe nikwathi inzito emadust.
no all I can say is like I'm here to uthatha konke bisindondo bisindilinga I'm here to ucoca konke bisindondo bisindilinga
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, asengibe something from the Chili Bite, the Chili Boy, Chili Bite. Pele wabantwana lokusheni.
It's,
bathi kwafika emagagu kwavuleka isulu lendlela inamefi igcwele emanyefa ndothani kefa masivule emage dempumelelweni sesiphokophele bafana beni kuphi masivule ematoni pheni buphi masivule emoto bebasolo basithatha kancane basidlela nemona bathi ngeke siphumelele bafana ngiyantshela senisukela ingoli asihlale basibophele emancane enyana kwafika inkhahla somandla mbetha amandla wanginika amandla manje sengidiva nginemandla amakhulu ngaloshuni sengimkhulu kakhulu
Chili Boy wabantwana. Imagine nje kubhula ematolo uligagu namhla seyobhula iBushfire kuyona le weekend. JD give me something hot. Give me something fire.
seeing the stars aligning, I'm blinded by true perfection, still shining. I'm not impressed with declining. My time's expensive. I am but a diamond, still shining the deepest crevice. My mic is a lethal weapon. With my heart on my sleeve, y'all receiving a bleeding message. If I die, then please repeat it. People still need the message. Dreams ain't out of reach. I believe in the holy presence. Battling all my demons. I see that I'm not
My mic is a lethal weapon. I'm saying watch out, ladies and gentlemen.
yes
Uthini umfuye ekhaya ungiphathelene nje ungithi nje shit.
Okay. Angeke ningikhona. Dikwel beat, dlemagalo. Vume emakhehla ngibambe ingalo. Fike emcimbini ngivunule libhebe. Sigile esandleni acace ngingwane. Nalo ngadavela abona ingodi. Shu.
Bathi sigile esandleni. Shothi ngisaphatha kwasani ke endleleni. Mawuliphara nje usonzele mangabe ebusuku la sigile esandleni. Kepha nje we admire lo because siyasagila kahle it's one traditional tool lemcoka kakhulu leli representa ne culture yethu. You know ukuthi ndabe ni say stages eBushfire but keeping it real with the culture is something which we really recommend because we are also promoting yona culture yethu. Maybe nje is my second question, guys. I just want to know during the eve of winning this competition, the M10 Bushfire Firefly, lama nerves ayafana yini before ba announce my results nama nerves lewe ukuthi nyalo so yo perform vele le Bushfire khona any difference le khona like how are the nerves there?
yeah ukhona umehluko mina kethu because competition uyabona wonke umuntu usuka athi ngifuna ukowina yabo and nalokuthi like bese compete ma artists laba very very talented so nyalo si relaxed because you perform nje just go there do your thing kutele pressure leyo so ku competition kuba ne pressure and then like performance kuba bede maybe kukhona ikhona le pressure ukuthi like taba nabantu incumbe and then stage like professionalism ufuna ibe khona but akufanani kunaloku like ufuna kuwina so I gotta be perfect ngayo yonke indlela kanti ngalana noma wathiwa ikhona imistake lonayo ngeba yena ungakhona kuyigciba kanti yeah
okay also maybe from Chili Boy Chili wabantwana ngasitshela nje ukuthi from this platform MTN Bushfire as an artist ufuna kuyisebenzisa kanjani to level up, you know, elevate your career performing in front of a massive crowd?
Ngaqala nje ngekuthi ngibonga nje ukuthi hey ngize ngifike la bengisifiso setful lesikhulu leso because hey sizame kunangizana isikhathi lesithe so lozama apply so lithuba lelikhulu leli and isabamba zalisebenzisa profitable bese vele sikufisa lokho sifisa ukuthi sibambe size siyofika ekugcineni now so sijabule kakhulu and singakafika ekugcineni because sisaya kuyoperforma yabo ngani la injabule isawutawunangizana isatawuba inkulu kakhulu futhi like daw celebrate khona kakhulu ukuthi sesifike la lebe sifise kufika khona yabo so sithembisa nje ukuthi sitawuletha umlilo nje sitawuletha lobungithi bethu sitaba deliver lo
you will bring your fire
yes ngasho kanjalo sitaba ngithi vele
JD, how motivated are you? Too motivated.
I'm too motivated.
Asungitshele nje briefly ukuthi yini lobuka ngazuthi kutasita kanjani vele carrying on this big stage as an artist and yini lofuna kuphenza uyende after this performance?
Okay, firstly, I just want to also thank the people at home for voting for me, that we made it this far. And then we've been working hours and hours. This is 10,000 hours in training. We're still going up. This platform to me is just another chance to keep improving. And we just want to give you all the best of us. As JD, the brand, and as JD, the artist. I just want to go on stage, give you all the best performance I can. Then, we'll see from there what's next. I'm just excited to see what God puts in front of my plate next time.
Oh, okay. Ingabe nkulu ngatsebinze kakhulu la celeni kwami ufuna kuva nje ushito Chili Bite lapha wathi hey from emagagwabhule ematolo from ukubhala ekhathi endlini ulele kumatrasi nyalo nako soyobatshela embe kwemhlaba wonke ukuthi wena ngubani uchamukaphi wendani ubakhombise naloshuni. How motivated are you to be given such an opportunity?
Ayishaye ngasho ukuthi hayi leli lithuba lelihle kakhulu leli because njengoba nje sathi ukuthi Bushfire bantu laba balapha babanganani so ngithi ngisho ukuthi kuyoba indlela yokumarket. Since emagago vele sisabantu laba sacatfuta bebangaduba kangako but since ngene Bushfire ngathi neligama selitawuphakama so and then iqhubekele embili ke thine emcondweni wethu besine kufisa kuti kwakha kuhosta ethu emagig like isake emagig ethu so but ke bese ngeke sikhona lokho kukwenda sisaqala si brand lencane but nje ngiyabona ukuthi lokho sitangena ku Bushfire igama litawuphakama and sesitakhona ukuplana lokho lenkulumo lesifisa kwenda kube impumelelo since sidabe sesibani labati wabo
senivele niyadiwa guys. I remember one time ngahlangana nani yo perform Ifs Lounge, you know, and mangikhuluma na events management Mr. Soul wathi nje angathi you linked up on social media but hey the performance ngathi ben practice kakhulu guys. What happened today?
Awubuka kwezina namnakethu akusikuthi mhlambe si practice ngekuthi nasine show like si practice yethu ukuthi noma singaba lamnyango nasikanye kanye nje kuvele kube nalento lo evele ifu ngasikhanza lapha emva kwemoto sihlabela lapha emva kwendlu kwanza sihlabela si freestyle so kuba kanjalo sahlala si ready sahlala si ready ingoma tethu stand nawe na choose nasikanye kanye nje senda ingoma so sahlala si ready
Okay, njengoba usho PCP ukuthi ni freestyler behind the track so you don't really have to rehearse but it's in elakathi and cultures ngak invite boss wami ukuthi nifike nisebenze na rehearsal space but nje sengite kuwe JD, maybe you can just explain what are the challenges, how is the music industry in the kingdom?
Okay, when it comes to the music industry. I think one of the hardest things is that our music platforms aren't, which, by the way, I must say that we really appreciate all the platforms that are being provided to us. Even right now, the MTN Bushfire, Firefly, all of that has done a tremendous job in just giving artists a space to actually showcase their talents and be appreciated. But outside of that, then we have the challenge of not having enough platforms that do the same. Or another special shout out to Arts and Culture for giving us space, a space to come and just be free. Some people at home aren't even given the opportunity to showcase their talents, which they've learned maybe from school, maybe from friends. So they don't have that safe place or safe haven for them to actually go out and actually progress their skill and actually become better. Some people are really dope, but their family structures don't allow them to progress. Another thing is, so that's why I feel like the platforms that that are being provided to us, I very much appreciate, but I think there needs to be more, and I think there needs to be more meaning behind them. Thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you JT for that. Coming to you, Chile. Funa singena kule ndzaba yema music platforms. You know them, your Spotify's. As a local artist, are you benefiting from these platforms? Because I'm aware that some of them, their services comes at a price, because let's say data badulile, for example, and I think we are still developing in terms of the sector here in the kingdom. Labanye nje basedela ukuthi vele I have to go there and stream lo mnyango ngayeva ngazi ukuthi kufuna nje ayive ekhumbini noma umsendele ka WhatsApp. How are this platform ayanisida invela?
Angisibonge kakhulu kuleli hlangothi lelo wathi indzaba le sensitive kakhulu. Sina ama platforms but yes amcoka mara kasidi ngalendlela lesifise ngayo ukuthi aside yesi besingafisa nje and besingacela ukuthi yabona sifiso sethu ukuthi sima artist kuze sitawukhona ku benefit yabona because nalabanye from outside countries yabo baya benefit bo Spotify bo nangizana yabo bayakhona ukuthi ba benefit yes nasingatfola kwethu yes kwethu lesitawukhona ku upload khona lo music yabona ukhona ukuthi nabani umsebenzele yes ngona akhona lama platforms siya upload but kude lokungakanani lesigainako yes ezema local artist nayo nje challenges lesiyesibe nayo yes
Phese ngenibona lapha nini upload ko Spotify Wrapped so sekwende njani kahle vele ngoma and some artists I know ukuthi sekinto nje le style ukuthi you have to show your Spotify Wrapped, but are you really getting the streams from the kingdom or is those countries out there?
Yeah, kukhona sikuthola ko but ngathini akusiki ukuthi mhlambe imali noma Spotify nje noma ngabe una 2 monthly listeners utakhiphela kusinaba labalalelako yabo kazi nje nasedepeni khona lo lalelako lokulalelako wena nakaswathini khona lokulalelako nangabe uthola 2 no utakhiphela kusinabo lokutholile wena so tsineke locally ipopulation yethu incane kukancane ukuthi nje ulocal ungayelwa ngumuntu lo se state ungayelwa ngumuntu lo se eThekwini so ufele kufuna silalele abantu laba la kithi eSwatini so into le nto labo la Swatini emathatha dolile bancane abantu nje labana lo Spotify nje kokucala nje laba silala ko Spotify so ngivanga ukuthi nasingaba vena indlela etilula iplatform le created nje ukuthi lena ke eMaswati lena music eMaswati utholakala la and kunema fees la bhadala ukuze uthole ingoma eMaswati nje ufele kube straight nje nangabe stating na YouTube kube nasi mhlambe kunemculo wesintu online ngiyabekisa kwathi uthola umusic weMaswati ke lana umthenga 25 rand umthenga yabo kube siwazi nakhishwa lamana kwathiwa raps kuba kuthiwa sikhipha kule platform yethu bengabe kuyasebenzela kakhulu manje lapho Spotify yes bamcoka kona but yabo ngekubuka le industry yethu ukuthi inqanangana nale population ngonomntu account asine nje sivele lincane yabo kuze nje uthola imali ka Spotify yathi sikufuna ube ngabe nema listeners ema streams of which into lesikhashane nayo angisho ukuthi ngiba negative but sesikhuluma I reality so yeah
Shunwe Nkabi benze kakhulu Shunwe Nkabi before nje ngivale Shunwe Nkabi angabe ungayilobola uyithini nje nga 5 sentences lena ima digital stores
hayi yona indzaba lenkulu kakhulu ngabathi umnetho utsinza yona nje utsinza yona impela ngathi vele kungasitsha lokuthi nabangazama ku create la yithi platform la singakhona ku upload kwethu khona music because vele hayi le yabo Spotify hey idulile iyasidulela thina so vele ngathi kungasita kakhulu ngathi na kungabuketwa kulelo hlangothi lolo athi hayi ne music weMaswati ungaba nabo lokuphakama wadiwe na phesheya
njengoba niva Maswati lamahle ayakhala ama-artist ethu phela akhala ngayo i-platform yethu sibe nayo eSwatini Spotify nabe kudinga ukuthi kube ngeSwatini Spotify but nje any local app let us sita ukuthi uwadi nje ukuthi yathi umusic weMaswati nguthola kuphi bakhona phela bo Niger wathwathi nabo wathwathi nathi sesibene kwethu stokhona ama-artist ukuthi abhadale ngalo phela lilangene futhi lena app itawusita phela ngoba umusic is part of ama-drivers economy especially in the global world in the international space out there njengoba ashito nje umfulo omdzala when delivering the speech from the throne sadise he called for the creation of more opportunities for the youth lokusifaka ke nathi sing eSwatini National Council of Arts and Culture because we have a mandate njengoba sithunywe ngiyo in eSwatini National Arts and Culture Policy ukuthi we have to create an enabling environment for the arts and cultures sector to thrive in the kingdom so we are hoping ukuthi Maswati lamahle loyo losibukelako noma ngi-MD somewhere kulawo ma companies lakha lawo ma applications siyakuthuma ke namhla siyadzicelela nami ngikhala nawo nama artists laceleni kwami ukuthi phela let's have i-app le kanjalo then I hope sitawukhona ke kubuya nisupportane as a collective lapho kona sitawuvela nathi because phela the Africa we want is Africa lapho khona wonke umuntu akhona kushowcase alikhono lakhe ngaphandle kwama challenges kepha ke namhla sitayivala ngekwehluka ngeke ngivale ngemlomo ngidawushiya JD asendele wona ama honors.
See you next time. See you Saturday. Come live, come energetic. We're ready to rock out. We're going to be there with Amakaku. 14:30 local time. Let's go.
yes
Sugar to left, the friends I have keep moving awkwardly. Trust I cannot trust nobody in this business. I trust myself to see your life just as a bitter witness. A sense of realness, I can feel it when they talk to God. And as a human fallen victim to the world's facade, seeing just a picture of your life don't mean you better still. I'm comfortable in my challenges, they make me real. That's why every day I'm up, I'm trying to set myself up properly. Studying the game, I'm trying to balance being scholarly. Aware of how my world was built to inch away from poverty. Denying that I need help, while the struggles in themselves ring few.